Hello everybody, I'm Frida Stoffer. Today's video is me trying to make Arabic or Iraqi Turshi pickles for the first time. They are refrigerator cured, and they are supposed to be in there for 7 to 10 days before you eat them. My mom used to can a lot of pickles, but I don't can, so I'm trying this recipe. I know a lot of women who do it, and they are my favorite Arabic, Middle Eastern pickles. And I have decided I'm going to try a recipe. I found a friend of mine, pointed this recipe out to me. When I asked for the recipe, she said this is a good one. So it comes from the YouTube channel, Iraqi Cooking 101. And so thank you to the lady who makes the recipes at Iraqi Cooking 101. I'm trying this recipe of yours, and I will taste test them in about a week, and I will let everybody know how they turned out. I like a lot of Middle Eastern and Arabic food, and these pickles are one of my favorite items, especially when the vegetable that's pickled or cured is cauliflower. For some reason, I like pickled cauliflower. I don't like cauliflower any other way, except in some certain pizza crusts. So we're going to see how that turns out, and I'll show you the process of how I went about putting these vegetables in the special brine. Those are the canned items that I'm adding to my pickles. I have drained the brines off them. I just got some Casablanca pitted green olives and some fresh wild cucumber pickles with low sodium. The recipe on the channel Iraqi Cooking 101 says to drain the liquid. So I drained the liquid off of both. The recipe says you can buy any vegetables you want from the grocery store, and you boil them for 5 minutes, and then you drain them and you add them to the mixture that you want in your pickles. So I picked some fresh, shiny, firm serrano peppers. They're spicy. And I picked some fresh garlic, and I picked cauliflower, white, clean, fresh, and I'm going to boil these ones because they're raw. I'm going to boil them each for 5 minutes and then drain them, and then I'm going to add them to the jars. Now the water is boiling, and I'm going to put the vegetables in for 5 minutes. Now they've cooked for 5 minutes, and I'm going to dip them out in the bowl. Now they're all mixed together. I'm going to divide them between 2 containers. I have these jars that I got for $5 each at Big Lots, and I did boil them both for 5 minutes on each side, so they're 10 minutes each, and they're little seals. I boiled those too. I'm going to divide the vegetables in between them. Okay, I have mixed Iraqi style date syrup and Basra date molasses. Both are the same thing, but from different companies. And you can use either or a mixture of 2 brands. It's okay. It's all the same thing. But this is my husband's favorite brand for eating. So I'm giving you the mix. Make sure it's mixed together very well, and then I'm going to divide it between my 2 jars. There they are, all done. I'm going to set them in the refrigerator and try them in 7 to 10 days. There are 2, and I got those jars yesterday or before yesterday maybe, but I think they're perfect for making Turshi. It's the first time I tried it, so thanks to the channel, YouTube channel, Iraqi Cooking 101, I have this recipe. Okay, so I was looking and deciding what spices to put in there. I wanted fennel seeds, and apparently I'm out of fennel seeds. So I'm going to use cardamom, oregano, and black pepper, a mixture of these spices. I'll buy fennel before the next time I do it. Okay, so I'm putting about a tablespoon of cardamom seeds in there, in each one. I'm gonna put some in each. Next time I'll put fennel seeds. And I'm going to put a little whole black peppercorns, maybe a tablespoon in each jar, because they're good. You can season them any way you want with any spices you like, but I'm going to put a tablespoon in there, and I'm eyeballing it.
No, you're winging it.
Am I?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have wings, but I do have eyeballs. Okay. The lady suggested dry mint, but I don't have any. Mint and oregano, she said. I do not have mint, but I do have oregano, so I am putting oregano. We love oregano anyway, so that was a good advice for us.